Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.